If writing comments, taking surveys, making transcriptions, watching a video, or doing visiting websites for a couple dollars doesn't sound too tasking to you, then I've come with great news today. In this video, I'll be sharing up to 5 websites to earn $50 every hour doing simple tasks. I personally think they're a wonderful method to generate money to replenish your income. The best part about these micro-task websites is that you do not need to invest any money at all to get started, and they have a lot of potential to earn you money that you can invest. They're also available globally, so you can register and start making money no matter where you are in the world. Some pay on a weekly basis, some monthly, and some with a minimum threshold of about $5. Payments across these 5 websites are made on PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, Bitcoin, bank transfers, AirTM, and so many more. Make sure to watch until the end to know all about how to earn $50 every hour doing simple tasks with this brand new secret method. But first, you can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. The first website we'll look at is available worldwide and has a variety of payout options. What's unique about this platform is that it's a peer-to-peer marketplace for simple tasks. What this means is that people just like you and I can go there and create campaigns to get people to do a small task or micro tasks for us. That's one major thing that makes this platform special. It's called MICROWORKERS.com. Go ahead to register on this site like you would on any other. Simply click on the blue register button at the top right of the screen and input all that is required of you. Logging into the dashboard, you'll see that the MICROWORKERS is filled with lots of available tasks for you to start making money online with. Something as quick and simple as creating a Gmail account, for example, would pay up to 10 cents. You can literally create a Gmail account in 2 minutes. Success here refers to the percentage rate at which workers like you from around the world completed the task. This one says 100%, meaning every single person that participated in this task completed it and got paid. Under here shows the amount of slots available for each task, along with a list of workers that have participated in them. So just keep scrolling to participate in more tasks and earn more money. Here, all you have to do is download one mobile app and upload a video proof that you did to earn $1.50. There are currently 30 slots for this job, with only 5 successfully completed. There would always be tasks available for you to make money on this site. MICROWORKERS also has a hired group, or HG job section. Click over here, you'll be taken to a page where employers on this site specifically select a few people to do a task for them. The selection of these people can be based on their excellent performance in previous tasks of such nature. This platform also offers a payout across different channels, including Onto, PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, and AirTM, some with a minimum withdrawal of as low as $5. I highly recommend getting started with this website today. The second micro-task platform that we're going to look at is actually an app. They have apps available for both Android and iOS devices, and you can literally work on the go as long as you have internet connection on your phone. You can download this app, do different tasks, and earn money that way. This micro-task website that I'm talking about is HIVEMICRO.com. When you get to the homepage of the website, you'll see that they say, "Simple tasks, real money." Make extra money through small jobs you can do anywhere, anytime, and from any device. You can either sign up to the platform by registering directly through this Start Earning Now button, or by using your Facebook profile. So if you have a Facebook account, you can skip the steps of filling out your name, address, and other information by using it to sign up. Here's how Hive works. All you need to do is follow 4 easy steps to get paid, and once again, all you'd need is an internet-connected device to get started. Step 1, sign up. Step 2, apply for jobs. Step 3, complete tasks. And Step 4, get paid $50 every hour doing simple tasks. Some examples of tasks or micro-tasks that you can expect to do here include categorizations, where you'd organize media with discrete categories according to your employer's instruction. There's also bounding boxes, where you identify items of interest with 1 or more bounding boxes. Audio transcriptions and semantic segmentation, where you classify different pixels or each pixel of an image. Hive Micro is available in over 200 countries and have already paid over $2 million to the user on this platform. To begin the sign-up process, go to the page HIVEMICRO.com and click on Start Earning Now. At number 3, we have another legitimate platform that I have earned a lot from. Formerly called PICOWORKERS, this website is now called Sprout Gigs. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. It's an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy-to-do, affordable tasks. On this site, you can get paid to watch videos, categorize text or audio, or extract data from a PIV and put it in an Excel sheet. Just like on MICROWORKERS, you can also hire thousands of workers from around the world to perform little tasks for you. Some pro of Sprout Gigs or PICOWORKERS as a freelancer include a fast delivery of simple tasks for quick payment and the numerous availability of paid surveys and task offers. To register for this platform, click on the sign up link in the description below to get on the homepage. Then click on the sign up button in green at the top right of the page. Fill in your details and sign up. On your dashboard, you can see the numerous jobs available for you to work on. As you can see on this page, so far I have made over $600 in total with Sprout Gigs. This site is very similar to MICROWORKERS. You have tasks that pay good money for tasks like downloading an app, or even just commenting on an article like this one here offering up to $2. Just to make a comment, go ahead to register for Sprout Gigs now to start earning good. The fourth micro task website you can use to earn $50 every hour doing simple tasks is Clickworker.com. Directly typing in clickworker.com into your browser would bring you to the company's customer page about AI training systems. But you can just go ahead to skip all that and head into the Clickworker job area by clicking the blue button at the top right over here. This will take you to another section of their website where you can start the sign-up process to find micro jobs. Clickworker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data. You can sign up as a Clickworker free of charge and work independently with a flexible schedule. They also have an app for both Android and iOS device. So if you want to work on the go, you can just download the app and do the various micro tasks from there. The micro tasks that you can expect to do on this platform include text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, mystery visit, app testing, photo capturing, and audio or video recordings. I've used this website numerous times and can tell you that you may earn anything from 1 cent to $5 depending on how lengthy or difficult the work is. Some particular chores can actually pay you more depending on the complexity of accomplishing that task. To register, click at the link at the top of the page that says Register, and then select for Clickworkers. So at number 5, we have a website called TimeBucks.com. This is a platform that allows you to earn money in a variety of ways or by doing various micro tasks. They also offer a variety of payout methods, which is a nice feature of this platform. So as you can see, they say you can get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install applications, complete micro tasks, and answer surveys. Micro tasks may include watching videos, viewing ads, and so on. Once you're on their site, you can sign up using Facebook. On the homepage, it says log in with Facebook, but you can also register by clicking on this sign up button at the top right here. Fill out this form by entering your email, password, and repeating the password again. Also complete the reCAPTCHA and then sign up for the platform. You must also confirm your account or registration to all of these platforms by going back to the email address you used to sign up. If you want to supplement your income or are a total newbie with no investment, these are the legitimate micro tasks that you should look into for 2022 to generate additional money for yourself.